Hello students, in this video we will discuss the next topics of chapter 5 algebraic expressions. The topic's name is coefficients. Coefficients. What are coefficients? The numerical factor of a term is called the numerical coefficient. The numerical factor of a term is called the numerical coefficient. Like if there is a term 7x square y, its factors are 7, x, x and y. Its factors are 7, x, x and y. So its numerical factor is 7. Its numerical factor is only 7. So 7 is the numerical coefficient of this term. 7 is the numerical coefficient of this term. Okay. But coefficient need not be numerical. It is not necessary that coefficient must be numerical. It is not necessary. For example, in 7x square y, if we are asked to write the coefficient of x square y, then it will be 7. And if we are asked to write the coefficient of 7x square, then it will be y. Then its coefficient is y. And if we are writing the coefficient of 7y, then it will be x square, because its factors are 7, x, x and y. Its factors are 7, x, x and y. And we have to write the coefficient of 7y. And another factors of 7x square y are x and x. We have used 7 and y because we are writing the coefficient of 7y. Then other factors of 7x square y are x and x. So x square is the coefficient of 7y. And there is one note that x has coefficient 1. If there is a term x, then its coefficient is only 1. Its coefficient is 1, not 0. Its coefficient is 1 because its factors are x and 1. Its factors are x and 1, so its coefficient is 1. And next is like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. What are like and unlike terms? Firstly, what are like terms? The terms with similar algebraic factors are called like terms. The terms with similar algebraic factors are called like terms. For example, 3x and 7x. There are two terms, 3x and 7x. In 3x, algebraic factor is 3x. In 3x, algebraic factor is x. And in 7x, algebraic factor is x. And both are same. So these terms are like terms. So 3x and 7x are like terms. In like terms, the numerical factors can be different. Numerical factors different हो सकते हैं, but algebraic factors must be same. Algebraic factors must be same. Numerical factors may or may not be different. And there is one more expression, 3xy plus 7xy. There are two terms in this expression, that is 3xy and 7xy. And its algebraic factors are x and y, and algebraic factors of 7xy are x and y, and both are same. Its algebraic factor and algebraic factor of 7xy both are same. So these are like terms. So both these terms are like terms as their algebraic factors are same. The terms with different algebraic factors are called unlike terms. Next are unlike terms. What are unlike terms? The terms with different algebraic factors. The terms whose algebraic factors are different, these are called unlike terms. For example, 2xy and 3y. There is one term 2xy and there is one more term 3y. Algebraic factors of 2xy are x and y, but algebraic factors of 3y are only y, and both are different. So these are unlike terms. There is one example. Group the terms from the following. Group the like terms from the following. Terms are minus 8x, 12, x square, xy, 10y, 5x, 72yx and minus 4x square. The pairs of like terms are, first is minus 8x. Now we will find whether there is any term that include x. Yes, there is one term which is 5x and its algebraic factors are same. So minus 8x and 5x are like terms. Now we will find another like terms, another pair of like term. This is 12 and it is only a constant. There is no algebraic expression in this. There is no algebraic factor in this. So this will not be included in like or unlike term. And next is x square. Now we will find whether there is any term that includes x square. Yes, there is minus 4x square, and algebraic factors of x square and minus 4x square both are same. So these are like terms, x square and minus 4x square. Then next is xy. Now we will find, is there any term whose algebraic factors are xy? Yes, there is a one term 72yx. We can write xy as yx. Remember, we can write xy as yx. We can change their order. We can change the order of variables. So xy and 72yx are like terms because their algebraic factors are same. Then next is 10y. There is no term that includes only y. So this is done. These are the pairs of like terms. And there are some points that you have to remember. First one is numerical coefficients of like terms may be different. Numerical coefficients in like terms may or may not be different. And next is variables in like terms must be same. In like terms, variables must be same. That is, algebraic factors must be same. And then next is power of each variable in like terms must be same. Power of each variable in like terms must be same. For example, if I am writing any two terms, 3x square and 5x square, its algebraic factors of 3x square are x square and algebraic factors of 5x square are x square, and its power must be same. For like terms, power of variables must be same. So these are like terms. If it has power 2 and if it has power 3, then these are not like terms because power must be same. Then the last one point is the order of appearance of variables in two like terms may be different. Order of appearance can be different. For example, 7xy and 4yx. These are like terms. The order may not be matter. Order will not matter order may be different. Okay, that is xy can be written as yx. Thanks.